Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and today we are going to learn about the new AutoCAD command, which is the U command. So let's see what the new command U is. U for umbrella. So what is the U is? So what we do if we want to delete this object? What we will do? We'll select and we will click on delete, right? And it will get deleted. And what if we want to get it back? We will do Control Z, which gets us two click. But now AutoCAD has given us a very simple command for that, which is just typing U. And your undo is just taken care by one single letter, that is U. So that's all for the new update in AutoCAD. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for such useful content. Thank you.